Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my new peeps. I'm Arlene. I am a wardrobe fashion stylist, and in today's video I am sharing our recent trip to Mexico City. Yes, you all know how much I dig that city, so I am going to be sharing their incredible food scene, their coffee and matcha culture. I have never had anything like that coffee or that matcha. So sharing that, their beautiful green spaces and architecture, a very, very special cultural space called Lago Algo, and their very inspiring specialty retail shops. In the styling sesh, I'm going to be breaking down my full pack and what actually worked in real life. I managed to pack 9 tops and 7 bottoms into 2 packing cubes. I know, that's right. And then I'm going to be sharing the hero pieces of that pack. I'm going to be sharing my favorite fit of the trip, my favorite wardrobe item that I packed, and that one unexpected item that ended up being on my person 24/7. I know, that's right. So, all right, let's go to Mexico City.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me.
That was great. Hola. Thank you. Gracias.
I've been trying to cope since you ran away. I've been feeling lost, I've been feeling pain. And no matter what I do, I just feel like I do what I do for you. Tried to call the doctor, it didn't help. Took a trip out to the sun to revive myself. No matter what I do, I just feel like I do what I do for you. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, dance, dance like nobody's watching me.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Very cool. Amazing. Wow.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care.
That's beautiful. Well,
Mami, me gustaría Hacerlo de aquel día, tú andas escondida desde aquella vez. Qué rico sería si te viera todos los días. Faltaría, sería mi bebé. Quiero recorrer cada centímetro de tu piel. Si me dieras solo un beso, para mí sería un placer. Aprovechemos el atardecer. Mira que el sol ya va a caer. Que mañana no sabemos si nos volvemos a ver.
Encárgamame tu nalga pa' otro recoquines. Cuando yo no te contesto pa' que tú maquines. Estoy haciendo aquí otro tema pa' que tú vaciles. Estoy echado aquí en la cama pa' que me cocines. Mami, a ti te falta más y que te dominen. Pues pa' eso me llamas.
Thinking about what we've been through. The world can be a lonely place. Baby, I'm so glad that I found you. Now I got someone to embrace. From the day you stole my heart, I've been forever one to be apart. Don't you feel the times are coming? 'Cause I feel it so strong. I've been on hold on, baby. Don't you feel the times are coming? When it feels so right to dance in
320, 330.
I'm gonna get one. I think it's so cool. Should I get one?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me.
Before we get into the pack, I just wanted to share my new readers with y'all. These are by Warby Parker's. I know I am a die-hard Caddis fan. We kind of had a little like customer service snafu. I know. So I decided to give Warby a try. I'm just really surprised, like overall, because as you know, I am a tinted lens girl. I love a good tinted lens, and all of my other readers have tinted lenses. So I thought, okay, I'll just give this a try. I love tinted lenses because I like being kind of like on the DL, all the time. And also, I don't wear any eye makeup, not even mascara. I just haven't been able to find any mascara, and I don't know how to put on. I don't know how to wear eyeshadow, so I love a tinted lens, but I am very pleasantly surprised with these. I love the shape of them, and I actually dig that they aren't like a tinted lens. And these fit like right out of the box, which is pretty unusual for me because I really always have to fuss with the little feeties. But these like fit so nicely. So yeah, I just wanted to share these with y'all. All right, on to the
All
pack.
right, the pack. There were 9 tops total, full range from a fitted tank top by Cost to a long sleeve printed button up. Bottom, same deal, full range from a printed little boxer short by Claire V to a skirt and pant combo by Margiela. Here are a few pieces broken down. Starting on the left is my one shoulder piece by Marie Adam Lenart, worn with my NSF paper bag chambray drop crotch pants. Next to that is my Y3 for Adidas Techie top with my bright blue maxi skirt by Sune. To the right of that is my fun Christopher Kane Frankenstein tee with my Gap denim culottes. And to the far right is my Dolce & Gabbana buckle strap top with my white cropped flare denim by DL 1961. Next are my hero pieces. These are the pieces that I was super psyched I packed. I reached for them all the time and for all different reasons. The first hero piece on the left
Okay,
are my
so next
Margiela
to
skirt
that
pant combo. I
is my
wore these out
Vans
to lunch, out to
checkerboard
dinner, for a day
hoodie.
out
I mean, are
exploring.
you
They're
all just so sick of
lightweight
seeing
wool
me in
blend that
this
could
hoodie
handle the
by
city
now?
streets.
I love it. What can I say? So I wore this hoodie on the plane. In the mornings, it's always a little cooler. In the evenings, it's a little cooler. So I loved having both of those NSF drop crotch pants of mine. They're so nice and perfect for that like 80-degree weather down there. Every single time after a full day out, I would always change back into one of these NSF pants, especially if I've been outside like the full stinking day all over the place. So
we would come home, I would switch out of my whatever fit I had on for the full day, and then I would get into these and one of my tees. And the two tees that I would normally hang in are my oversized Free People tees. So it was awesome, comfy, and definitely those two pants were like hero pieces.
Next up is my favorite fit of the trip, and honestly, this was an easy decision. Hands down my favorite fit, my super soft vintage rail tee by Rogue Gallery with my skirt pant combo from Margiela for H&M. Stylish, chic, and comfy. And the several compliments I got probably boosted my love for this fit too, not gonna lie. My favorite wardrobe piece from the trip, another no-brainer. The skirt pant combo from Margiela for H&M. First, it's just straight up stylish, and I felt stylish in it, which is always a bonus in my book. I love the lightweight wool fabric, still cool enough for this weather, but it looks really high quality. And honestly, it's been a minute, like over a decade minute, since I've worn it, so it was fun wearing with the new pieces in my pack. Do you ever have one of those pieces you end up wearing all the time on a trip? For me, it was these loafers. I packed 2 pairs of sneakers, sandals, flip-flops, even pumps, but these were my go-tos. They worked with every fit, felt amazing, and surprisingly ended up being my best walking shoe. Highly recommend.
All right, y'all. These are the packing cubes that I was talking about. So this guy is from CalPak. I'm not sure if you guys know, but they have just the coolest like travel system. But this guy comes with 5 or 6 different packing cubes. I use the bigger one for my pants, 7 pairs of pants, and I'm including like denim in this pack. So 7 pairs of bottoms fit into this, and then this is the medium size guy. 9 different tops fit into this guy. And I have to be honest with you, I could have fit a lot more tops. I swear to God. I also had like my jammies in here, and then it also comes with, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 different packing cubes. There's 2 smaller guys. I'm assuming like maybe if you wanted to pack socks or like undies and jammies. And then this little guy, probably for like toiletries. But if you guys are not on the packing cube system, you should get on it. It like works. It works so well. I'm going to be going on some crazy 2-week trip in April, and I'm sure I can get it into these like 2 packing cubes again and just, pack it into a rolly onto a carry-on. But yeah, if you're not on the packing cube system, you should get on. And none of this is sponsored, by the way. Again, just pure love for this packing system.
All right, friends, that's our Mexico City trip recap. Such an incredible city. The food, the coffee, the design, the energy. I already know we'll be back for a 4th time. If you enjoyed coming along, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you're interested in more of the style details from this trip, links are below, and I do deeper dives on my blog. You can also find more of my favorite finds over on Shop My, and if you love a good resale gem like I do, that's what the membership is all about. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.